You ever open your banking app after a weekend and just stare at the number like, bro, how did Friday and Saturday cost me half my paycheck? 1 second you're vibbing. Next second you're calculating if ramen counts as a food group. We've been sold this idea that fun means dropping cash like you're in a rap video, bottle service, overpriced concerts, fancy dinners you barely remember. But honestly, that's a setup. The system knows your weak spot. FOMO, ads, influencers, TikToks all scream. If you're not spending, you're not living. Low-key. You've been programmed to think saving equals boring. And that's the most frustrating part. You're grinding, clocking hours, doing everything right, and somehow still broke every Monday. That stress? That ain't on you. That's the game being rigged. So here's the question. What if you could still have legendary nights out without torching your wallet? Imagine not choosing between fun and saving, but actually getting both. But if you ignore this, you're stuck. Always working for weekends you can't afford. Always chasing a vibe that leaves you broke. The cycle never ends unless you break it. You don't need to ditch fun to fix your finances. You just need to outsmart the system. Hey guys, it's Sam here. Welcome back to Sam the Finance Channel, where we make money make sense. Hit that subscribe button if you're done feeling broke after every weekend. Let's fix that. Today, quick heads up. This video is for educational purposes only. I'm not your financial advisor, but I'm your broke friend turned money nerd. We're breaking down how to save money without giving up your social life, with real numbers, real stories, and easy changes you can start tonight. Let's dive in. This is Save Money Without Giving Up Fun Nights Out. Let's get started. Real talk. Fun isn't about blowing cash. It's about who you're with and the vibes you create. You don't need to flex a $20 cocktail to prove you had a good time. Bro, the average American drops like $150 a month just on food and drinks out. That's over $3,000 a year, basically a whole new gaming setup or half a vacation. Now picture this, cut that in half, and you've got money for a trip, a new sneaker drop, or even starting an investment bag. That's future you saying thank you. But here's the trap. Chasing aesthetic fun just for the gram. You spend money for clout, but the night doesn't even hit as good as you thought. The fix? Chase real fun. Stuff like late-night hoop games, road trips with music blasting, or just deep talks under the stars that cost way less, but hits way harder. Like Will Rogers said, too many people spend money they haven't earned to buy things they don't want, to impress people they don't even like. Don't fall for that cycle. Think about it. You plan your workouts, you plan your classes, but why not plan your fun too? A weekend fun budget works just like your gym schedule. It keeps you on track without killing the vibe. Let's say you set a $60 budget for the weekend. That covers a nice dinner, an event, and some snacks. You get to enjoy everything without stressing about overdrafts on Monday. When you walk into the weekend already knowing your budget, it feels like you're in control. You're not scared of those Monday morning bank notifications. You're ready for them. But if you just wing it, you end up overspending without even realizing. Spontaneous nights are fun in the moment, but often turn into regret the next day. Planning isn't about killing fun. It's actually about creating freedom. You get to enjoy the night without the guilt, and still have money for the stuff you really want later. Like Lincoln said, discipline is choosing between what you want now and what you want most. And trust me, bro, what you want most is worth it. Bro, you don't have to quit going out just to save money. The trick is to swap how you do it, not stop the fun. Like, you can pregame at home and still hit the same club later. That move alone saves you $20 to $40 every night. The cool part, you're still at the same spot, with the same crew, having the same laughs. The only thing missing is that overpriced bill. It's not about being cheap, man. It's about being clever with your money so you still get the vibes without the stress. Think of it like leveling up your night out game. You're still the same player, just playing smarter. Remember, the art isn't just making money, it's keeping it. That's how you stay winning, even on a budget. Yo, most people think having fun means dropping cash, but now there's so much free stuff out there. From street events to open mix, the city is literally a playground if you know where to look. Like, imagine hitting up one free event every week. That's literally saving you around $100 a month, money you can stash or spend on something that actually matters. And here's the thing, being the guy who always knows where the cool free stuff is, that makes you the plug. People start hitting you up for plans instead of the other way around. Most people think free means boring or lame, but that's just a myth. Free usually means authentic, local, and super chill, way better vibes than overpriced clubs. Think about it, while others are burning cash on bottle service, you're catching sunsets at free rooftop meetups or vibing at open mix. Different flex, same fun. Like Warren Buffett said, price is what you pay, value is what you get. And honestly, some of the best value out there doesn't cost a dime. Let's be real, your squad can either keep you broke or help you level up. The people you hang with shape your habits more than you think. If your boys are always ordering bottle service or hitting pricey spots, guess what? That lifestyle adds up fast on your bank account. Just one friend who spends heavy can drain you like $150 to $200 a month. And that's cash you could use for way better moves. But here's the move. Be the one in the group who sets the vibe without draining wallets. Suggest fun plans that don't kill the budget. You don't gotta ditch your friends, man. You just need to flip the script and lead smarter choices. Real ones will respect it. Like the quote says, show me your friends and I'll show you your future. So pick wisely. Your squad shapes your money and your mindset. Bro, let's be real. Scrolling through Instagram at midnight, seeing parties and luxury flexes, that stuff makes you feel like you gotta keep up, but it's just a trap. When you see that lifestyle nonstop, your brain goes, yo, I need that too. And that's how you end up spending way more than you even planned. Studies even show people spend like 40% more after seeing fancy stuff online. Basically, your wallet takes the hit while you're just chasing vibes. But here's the move. Unfollow the accounts that mess with your head. No one needs daily reminders that they're behind, bro. The real flex isn't posting some overpriced drink at the club. The real flex is walking into Monday with money still in your account. At the end of the day, your nights out should be about your fun, not your followers. Do it for the memory, not for the story. Bro, think about it. What if your fun nights didn't just end with an empty wallet, but actually gave you something back? Fun should feel like an upgrade, not a downgrade. Like, drop $50 on a cooking class instead of another greasy takeout order. You're still having fun, but now you're learning skills that save you cash later. Instead of renting joy for one night, you're building something that lasts. Memories and skills stick with you way longer than a hangover. Your fun nights should be leveling you up, man. Like every dollar spent is another XP point in your life game. Stop chasing nights that drain you. Start choosing ones that build you. That's the real glow up. Like Maya Angelou said, don't just make a living, make a life. So make sure your fun is feeding your future, not draining it. So yeah, you don't need to give up fun. You just need to flip how you see it, redefine fun. Plan ahead, make smart swaps, find free fun, choose the right squad, detox from FOMO. Invest in you. The goal isn't to stop living. It's to start living smarter. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. It seriously helps the channel grow. If this hit home, drop a comment with your favorite budget-friendly night out idea. Let's share tips and help each other out. This is Sam, the Finance Channel, where smart money moves start here. Stay smart, stay chill, and I'll catch you next weekend, hopefully, with more cash left in your pocket.